If you are facing mobile hotspot connectivity issue, then this is the best and short video for you. So let's get started without wasting your time. First of all, you need to go down there and subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna make it this quick. First, go to the PC, okay, or this PC if you are using Windows 10. If you are using Windows 7, then click on my computer. Right click on my computer, go to the manage. Okay, so basically you can go to the manage from Windows 10 and Windows 7. Both have the same method. Here you can see there are device management. Go to the device management and here you can see your network adapter. What you are gonna do is you are going to change the network adapter setting. Select the network adapter that you are using. So I'm using this USB wireless LAN card. Here you will go to advanced and here you can see all the options. So select the country region and here you will select this value 1-13. okay, number 1. Okay, so 1-13 and click OK. Your problem has been fixed. Enjoy the upcoming videos by subscribing my channel. Thank you very much.